This is the available color options on the Genesis 2024 model year GV60. By the way, I just want to point out, I've been on a lot of automotive websites as a car journalist, and Genesis has a very cool build and spec feature. Anyways, here is your free option for color. It is Alta White. Very standard that they give a free white color. Every other color is $650 as an option, and you have Barossa Burgundy, Mauna Red, Seville Silver, Atacama Copper. That's kind of a unique one. And then Uni White, Matterhorn White. I'm surprised that isn't the free color, really. That's not much different than the Alta White. They're both pretty boring. Makulu Gray. I don't know what is with these Hawaiian words, but someone had fun coming up with the names for these. Vic Black and Hanama Mint. Hanama Mint. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, which one of these did you like the best? Put it in the comments.